How do I remove the touchpad/control panel to my oven, GE Profile oven, part #WB27T11041, to replace with new one?
Hi, my name is Farrell and I will be helping you with your problem today. Thanks for your question. In order that I might help you further, may I please have the model number off of your unit? It probably will be inside the door on the frame, or if there's a storage drawer behind that on the frame. Thanks.
Model hash JS968S0K4SS.
Hi Matt, first off, turn the power off to the range. Next, remove all 4 of the knobs. You now will see plastic nuts on each switch. Remove all 4, set aside. Now you can lift faceplate off. You will then see the screws holding the panel in place. Remove screws, and carefully and gently pull control out of the hole. When you go to switch over to new unit, be sure to go one wire at a time, so as not to get mixed up. Recheck with the parts house, as I came up with a different number, WB27T10803 $145.01 available at Sears Parts and Service Centers. Hope this helps and have a good afternoon.
Sir, I actually only need to replace the touch glass faceplate, consisting of the stainless steel plate and the black control panel, shows clock, oven temp, controls, etc. I am precisely interested in how exactly I am able to lift faceplate off. Is it snap-on, glued on, etc.?
Hi Matt, thanks for your reply. Remove all 4 knobs. You will see a plastic nut underneath where you pulled the knobs off. Remove all 4 nuts. You can now lift faceplate off and replace. There is no adhesive holding it down. Thanks. Possibly this will help. http://www.searspartsdirect.com/partsdirect/part model/g-part/range-part/model JS968SK4SS/0432/01241/G6090241/00001 BLT equals 06 and PRST equals and SHD mod equals. Hi Matt, thanks for letting me help you, it is appreciated. Have a good afternoon.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.